Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you a simple trick how you can lock layers on Photopea. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. Now doing this is actually super simple. So let us assume we got a text layer like that here for demonstration purposes. So we can move that layer here around or see that text layer listed here on that layer list. So for demonstration purposes, let me add a second text layer. To do that, click on T here to the left on the left panel and select the type tool. Place the text box somewhere here, let's say. Enter a text and there you go. As you can see, now we have two text layers here on that list of layers. So let's assume I would like to edit that text layer and at the same time keep the other layer untouched. So the best way to do this is simply to lock one of these layers. To do that, simply select it with your left mouse here on that list of layers and click on that icon here at the top at that lock to lock the given layer. As you can see, now I can't move, edit or customize that layer here in any way, unless of course I unlock it again by clicking on that icon here. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you lock layers in Photopea. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you later in our channel.